Reynolds Libraries provides access to eBooks covering a wide range of subjects. You can find eBooks for just about any topic you are researching. One way to find and access eBooks is by searching an eBook database. To find eBook databases available through Reynolds Libraries, start from the library's homepage located at library.reynolds.edu. From the library's homepage, move your mouse over Research. When a menu appears, click on Databases. When the A to Z Databases screen appears, click on the All Database Types menu. When the list of menu options appears, click on eBooks. Here is a list of over 30 eBook databases you can use to find eBooks on your topic. One of the more popular Reynolds Libraries eBook databases is ProQuest Ebook Central. If you are accessing any eBook database from off-campus and sometimes on campus, you will be prompted with a Virginia's Community College login screen. Log in with your MyReynolds username and password. When the search screen for ProQuest Ebook Central appears, enter keywords that describe your topic. Instead of entering an entire research question or a sentence that describes your topic, such as, should the United States government enact stronger gun control laws, enter only the primary keywords from this question, which are gun control and United States. This will save you typing time and is a more efficient search. Place keywords with more than one word within quotes to find the exact phrase. Let's execute this search. This search found over 3,400 books. Let's limit this search to recently published books. From the Years Published menu on the left, I will select 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, and 2017 to find books published within the last 5 years. My results now include over 230 recently published books. Let's scroll down to review the results. To view any ebook from the result list, click on the title. I will click on How America Got Its Guns, A History of the Gun Violence Crisis. When the initial screen for this ebook appears, you will notice to the left under the book cover that you have the option to read the book online or download the entire book in PDF format. You will need to have the Adobe Digital Editions app loaded on your computer or mobile device to download the entire book in PDF format. You will also have the option to read or download a chapter at a time in PDF format. When using a print book or ebook as a resource to support your research assignment or paper, chances are you're not going to read the entire book. You will probably use only specific sections or a specific chapter from the book. You can browse the book's chapters, especially if the chapter titles give you a hint of what the chapter is about. For instance, if I am interested in learning more about the Second Amendment, I can click on the title for Chapter 6, Interpreting the Second Amendment. You can also search for a word or phrase within the book by using the Search Within Book window located to the left. For instance, if I enter background checks and execute the search, it will find every occurrence of this exact phrase. If I scroll down, it will indicate which chapters include that phrase. Chapters with a longer purple bar indicate that the phrase appears more frequently in these chapters. If I click on the arrow next to Chapter 11, Enforcement, it'll indicate the page numbers the phrase is found on and link me to these pages. It'll also highlight every occurrence of that word or phrase in purple. There are many other features you can check out which are located near the top of the screen, including printing out pages of the book, citing the book or book chapter in a particular citation style such as APA or MLA, highlighting sections of the book, and zooming in and out of pages. If you need assistance in using these features, ask the Reynolds librarians. Also, if you need help with selecting the best ebook databases to search for a specific topic, determining the best keywords to use for a topic or research question, or using the ProQuest Ebook Central database, ask the Reynolds librarians, who are always happy to assist you with any research needs you have.